What is an EIN for an estate? Have you ever wondered what happens to an estate after someone passes away? One key element in the estate administration process is the employer identification number, often referred to as an EIN. So, what exactly is an EIN for an estate? An employer identification number is a unique 9-digit tax identification number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service. This number identifies the estate as a separate taxable entity after a person's death. It functions similarly to a Social Security number but is specifically for the estate during its administration. When someone dies and an estate is open to manage their assets, debts, and distributions, the estate must file certain tax returns and handle financial matters. To do this, the estate needs to obtain an EIN. This number allows the estate to report income, pay taxes, and fulfill other tax obligations that are distinct from those of the deceased individual. The estate's EIN is necessary even if the estate does not have employees or generate income. The Internal Revenue Service requires this number because the estate is treated as a separate legal entity for tax purposes during the probate process. The EIN is used on estate tax returns, income tax returns for the estate, and other related tax documents. Obtaining an EIN is typically one of the first steps taken by the estate representative, who may be called an executor, administrator, or personal representative. This person is responsible for managing the estate's affairs, including applying for the EIN. The application can be completed online through the Internal Revenue Service website, by fax, or by mail. The online method provides immediate issuance of the EIN, making it a quick option. Having an EIN allows the estate to open bank accounts in its name, file estate income tax returns using Form 1041, pay any taxes owed by the estate, and manage financial transactions related to the estate's assets. From the perspective of estate law, wills, and trusts, obtaining an EIN is an important administrative step in the estate administration process. It ensures proper tax compliance and facilitates the orderly management and distribution of the deceased assets. This is especially relevant in complex situations like blended families, where multiple parties may have claims to the estate. Legal and tax professionals often assist estate representatives in obtaining the EIN to ensure accuracy and timeliness. This support can be particularly helpful in navigating the complexities of estate planning for blended families, where clear financial management is essential. In summary, an employer identification number for an estate is a tax identification number assigned to the estate after a person's death. It enables the estate to fulfill its tax responsibilities and manage financial matters during the probate and administration process.